runs, make sure that the welder was set like I wanted it. So now I can be able to do my thing. You ready?
Give me just a second.
All right, fam.
Let's go.
The main thing you want to do when you're doing your root is to make sure you tie it in to both sides. It's very critical. Just take your time, make sure you tie it in. Get as comfortable as you possibly can. That's very important. And I'll just say, as a rule of thumb, always try to start on your runoff tab and end on your runoff tab. I'm going to say that's important because if you tend to stop in the middle of it with this flux, you can fix it, but you want to kind of save yourself a lot of headaches. So it's better to just run it all the way out. So the root laid in pretty good. I'm gonna clean it up so that way you can see it. We're gonna bring both cameras close so y'all can see it, but we're gonna clean it real quick and then let you check it out. Normally with the flux core, core, you can run pretty quick. And the slag will fall off pretty good as long as you hesitate. If you don't go real fast and you take your time, it should go pretty smooth for you. So with this one, like I said, I'm not even gonna use no power tools. I'm just gonna use the wire brush and the chipper hammer, because if you run it right, you won't have any issues. So now I'm about to weave and do my hot pass.